In the vehicle library, you can add, delete, modify, check, upload, synchronize, and calibrate the vehicle information. For first-time use, tap Edit to complete the vehicle information of default vehicle or add new vehicle if necessary. Tap Next to continue. Please measure and enter the result for each parameter correctly. Tap Next. Verify all the information in summary page and save. You can go to the calibration step quickly by tapping Calibration. Please follow guidance in separate instructions video later. To add other vehicles, tap New and fill with information and parameters, follow previous procedure. If you want to make sure all data uploaded in Cloud Server successfully, tap Upload. If you want to synchronize all data in the Cloud Server, tap Sync. Every time you update vehicle information and need to calibrate it, select the vehicle and tap Calibration.